one more important topic. This question is asked frequently last the previous university question papers. So maybe we are expecting such kind of question is going to ask. So better to know what is the technique or using topological sort or topological order. Okay. So you have to remember the definition. It is a linear ordering of its vertices. Okay, you know that 1 2 3 4 sorry, this is a fire. So these are the vertices and these are connected to the graph, sorry, edges. You know that the definition of the graph. Okay, such that for every directed edge, so these vertices are connected by the directed in the sense it is having some directions. Okay, uv is the, suppose it is a u, this is a v, so these two connected to this edge, directed edge, that is why this is a combination is called as a uv. For every vertex u to v, okay, u to v, so this is, just assume this is u1. Okay, u comes before the vertex v, so u comes before the vertex v in the order. Okay, so this is a basic definition of topological sorting. Now the primary condition is the graph should not be DAG. So DAG is nothing but direct acyclic graph. Direct acyclic graph. That means the graph does not having any cycles before applying topological order. To make sure that this is a very important point. Okay, so before applying topological, to find the topological order in this graph, the graph should not have any cycles, so that is called as a DAG. Okay, direct acyclic graph. Next, every DAG will have at least one topological order. We will discuss with the example how it is to find the topological order from the graph. Okay, so remember this, maybe they asked the 2 marks question, what is a DAG? DAG in the sense direct acyclic graph. This graph does not having any cycles. Okay, so this is a major property or primary property of the topological order. Okay, so note it down. So now how to find the topological order? So before finding the topological order, first find out in degree of every node. In degree of every node. What is the in degree? What is the in degree of this node? The node having any incoming edges. There is no having any incoming edges. So simply put, there is no in degree. Next, in degree of 2. The 2 will be receiving incoming edges from 1. So in degree count is 1. Next, 4 having how many in degrees? That means how many incoming edges? 1, 2. So in degree 2. Next, 3 having in degree 2. 4 having in degree 1. Okay, so now we find out the in degree of each vertex in the graph. Now which vertex having low index or 0, sorry, not low, 0 in degree, remove the vertex from the graph. So which is removed, make it the order. This is the first element in the topological order. Next, I am using the same figure, just erase this vertex 1 and their related edges. Okay, these edges will be removed. So once the edges are removed from the vertex 1, again the weight is changed. That means in degree is changed. What is the in degree of 2? There is no in degree after deleting the 1. So in degree is replaced 0. Next, what is the in degree of 2? Only 1 incoming edge, so in degree change to 1. Next, in degree of 3 is no change, 2 incoming edges. In degree of 5, only 1. Okay, so now everything okay. Next, in degree 0 vertex 2, so remove the 2. Okay, remove the 2 from the graph. So if it is 2 is removed, this edges also removed from the graph. Okay, keep it in mind. Okay, this is removed. Okay, these edges are also removed along with the vertex. Next, again find the in degree of remaining nodes. In degree, so there is no incoming edges. In degree is 1, in degree is 1. Okay, so which node or which vertex having in degree 0? 4. So next order element is 4. Okay, so this is removed. Okay, so now these two vertex not having any in degrees, it is become 0. It is become 0. So the order is either last 3 5 or you can write 5 3. So both are correct. This is the finding to find the topological order of given graph. Okay, so let us see another example. So let us see another example to find the topological order. So one important point or property is you consider it is, if before applying the topological order, the the graph should be in the form of DAG. DAG in directed acyclic graph. Okay, directed acyclic graph. That means D. So all are directed acyclic. That here having the cycles, but let us see what happen if it is having the cycle, either we are able to form a order or not, and it is a graph. So as we know that, first we can find out the in degree of every node. We know that this graph is not at all to able to find the topological sorting order because of it is having the cycles. So let it be know if we having the cycle where we are stuck to find the topological order. Okay, so what is the in degree of 1? Having only one incoming edge. In degree of 2, here coming only 1 and 2 degrees, and 3 having in degrees 2 because of 2 arrows is coming to vertex 3. In degree of 4 0, in degree of 5 0. Okay, so remove any one, whether 5 or 4, whatever it may be. Suppose you can take case 1 and case 2. You can take any of 4 and 5 because of those are having 0. Okay, so suppose I take 4 in case 1, I take 5 in, suppose 5, first I take 4. Okay, just this edge is removed. This edge is removed. So what is the remaining? Remaining structure is like this. Okay, so now in degree is reduced to 1. Okay, want to have only 1 degree. So next in degree remaining is same. Next lowest is in degree 0 is 5. So enter vertex 5. So then really delete the vertex with edge, corresponding edges. Next in degree is, now here in degree is 1 and all are having 1. So there is no 0 vertex. If there is no 0 vertex, we are not able to delete any one of the vertex from the graph. So that because of this reason the graph should having in the form of DAG. Okay, so whenever the vertex having the 0 in degree, then only we can remove the degree. If no other vertex not having the 0 in degree, we are not able to do further step. Now we are stopped here. Or else we can take case 2. First you can take 5 and 4, then stop. So there is no make further extension to find out the next order of the nodes. So if it is having the cycles on your graph, there is no possibility to find topological order. So next, one more example. So 3 to 4 times they asked a question, the last previous question papers. So let us take another example to find the topological order or topological sort. Okay, so before finding, first find out the in degree of each vertex. What is the in degree of each vertex? A in degree is 0, there is no incoming edges. D having 3 incoming edges, sorry, 2 incoming edges. B having 3 incoming edges. C not having any incoming edges. So here 2 vertex having in degree 0. which vertex I removed first. Okay, you can remove any one of the vertex, either A or C. So don't remove two vertex even it is having same in degree 0. Okay, that is important point. Each step we can delete only one vertex which is having the in degree 0. So from this figure I delete vertex vertex A is deleted, those connected edges also removed from the graph. So after deleting the edges and vertex, the graph is become like this. Okay, next step, again find the in degree of remaining nodes. What is the in degree of D? In degree is now only 1. In degree of B now reduced to 2. C in degree 0, there is no incoming edges. So next, among those 3 vertices, which vertex have in degree 0? C. So then C is enter, those edges and node will be removed from the graph. Okay, removed from the graph. Next, this D in degree is again modified 0, B in degree is 1 because of only one incoming edges. So less or in degree 0 is D, enter D. So and their edges also deleted. So remove this one. So now in degree of B is no in degrees become 0, and last you can find this is the topological final order of the graph. Okay. So this is a procedure. How much length, how many edges having the graph, don't bother about, we can follow the procedure. The procedure wise find the in degree, if it is which node having 0, delete it. So in the one step, 2 or more nodes having the in degree 0, don't delete all the nodes at a time, delete one after another. Okay, so this is the topological order. Thank you.